Hi, it's David from Davelle Clothiers to give you an opportunity to understand how the trade-in event works. It's very simple. You have a shirt at home you don't like, you bring it in, you get a new shirt, and you get a trade-in of $49 off the price of any shirt in the store you see. If you've got a sweater that is not appealing to you but you don't want to get rid of it, you know what? Maybe it was from a family relative. Move it out of there, get rid of it, trade it in, up to $59. These things go directly to Goodwill. We don't sell them. We give them to sell because we're trying to entice you to come in and get rid of your old clothing. So if you take one item out and you put a new one in, but you get an incentive to do it, it works well for everybody. You can get up to $500 on an old suit, up to $400 for an old suit. Item for item, Davelle Clothiers, where the trade-in event has started, and you need to be here to be a part of it.